Hi, today we are talking about the accident of one aircraft. When one aircraft is landing at airport, the time is 9:30. The aircraft time was 9 o'clock. It should be land at 9 o'clock. But when it reached toward the airport, the weather was not good. So they are asking permission from the air traffic controller about the landing. So they just are waiting for good weather. They should be reach in time. Now passengers also waiting for landing. So they normally accident happened because of the human factor of engineers or human factors of captains or sometimes. But this time this accident maybe happened because of weather. Now they check aircraft, everything was fine, and they waiting for landing. They waiting for permission from air traffic controller. They again ask from the air traffic controller about the status of airport. Then the air traffic controller give them permission that now they can land aircraft because 500-meter visibility. Now they decide for landing. They just configured aircraft for landing, reduce little speed, and just trying maneuvering toward airport. When they are doing landing, they making special landing configuration, reduce flaps, reduce little speed, reduce heights. Height should be more than 2500 feet, and gradually it reduce heights. Now they see aircraft is okay and engine was running fine. They just reduced aircraft speed so that they can safely land aircraft on ground. Everything was fine. They are following maps, everything okay, and it seemed it's nothing, no any problem. Now they extend landing gear and just waiting for. They're just trying to land aircraft. Fog was there. His passenger told that he could not see runway, but still, but captain have information about airport is clear for landing. Now they reduce more aircraft speed and reduce the heights. But when reduce height, same time aircraft keep on veering toward left side. This thing was they don't know about this thing, and suddenly aircraft was become out of control. They try their best to control aircraft, but aircraft was not under control, and then aircraft reached near to the ground, but still aircraft was not under control. So suddenly the aircraft become struck with the ground and aircraft become crash, and so whole big accident happened because of all of this.